Hello everyone, it's Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. I'm here to share a brand new project. This is the July and August Kit Club bonus project for the current Kit Club we're in right now. I'm sharing it with you all because now my bonus projects are available to everyone via tutorial. So if you're interested in making a super duper sweet box like this and album, you can most certainly. One thing I want to say right off the bat before I get started on this beauty, this is inspired by a candy box that my sister received during Christmas time. And of course, I thought it was a gem and I had to recreate it to fit back with the memory keeping aspect of what we all love to do. So I created the box in a really nice size so you can either use it as a gift box. If you design this in Christmas papers as a cookie box, you can fit quite a bit of cookies in here or whatever you want to put in here. Halloween paper, you can put candies in here. If you want to do the birthday theme like I have here as a gift box along with a mini album and a gift card, absolutely. So this box is about 8 inches at the widest point, and it's got a 2.5 inch uh, height on it, so you can fit quite a bit in here, guys. So I take you step by step on how to create the box, this entire thing. I can't stress enough how easy it is to make this. All right, once you get all of the patterns cut and everything, it comes together like this. I promise. If you experience otherwise, you can totally call me out on it. All right, totally, because it does come together really quickly. If you're a part of my Facebook fan page, you're going to see several of these made already, and I only posted the tutorial the day before yesterday, or the videos to the Kit Club blog the day before yesterday. So yeah, super easy to assemble once you have all of the information that you need, of course, right? So here's a box. I put some tissue paper in here and I decorated the inside. It's got a really nice lip on there so you can put the lid on there and it just doesn't go anywhere. All right, so that's a nice feature there, and it's beautiful quality and construction. This is made out of chipboard and a combination of chipboard and cardstock. So I promise you, sturdy construction on this. All right, you can totally put a dozen cookies in here, hint, and it will most certainly hold up and be a beautiful presentation piece right here. So let me show you what this mini is all about. It's super cute, adorable. This is a mini. You most certainly have to crop your 4x6 photographs to get them in here, but not by much. You can certainly fit a 5 by, I say, 4 inch picture. All right, 5x4 would most certainly fit in here, and it works back beautifully with the 3x4 pocket cards that you can see here. You have 6 pages in this mini album. This mini album was made with the treat bags by American Crafts, and it's a Pebbles product, and I'll show you these in your kit. If you pick up this kit, you get everything you see here that I use to make this project, and you can also make another project with it, and I will show you that as well. So it's made with the treat bags where you can put your photo mat in there, but then I have an attachment where you can add even more photographs and take advantage of those 3x4 pocket cards that are super duper popular and just so functional. Just makes creating these projects really easy and fun. It's kind of that instant gratification that you get with these types of projects here, which allow you to use these pocket cards. So essentially, with the 6 hinge hidden hinge binding system and the page attachment, you have 12 pages in this mini album, and it's perfectly sized to fit into the box. Or this can be a standalone item. All right, you can do a little pocket here, stick a gift card in there if you want to, slap a bow on there, and you're good to go. So the tutorial has the mini album and box. So the template to make the mini album and the box are in the tutorial, and you will find that on my website. And as you notice, it fits perfectly in there. The lid goes on and everything is just absolutely beautiful. And I'm not sure what I'm calling this box. I have several other decorative boxes coming up. So this may just be decorative box 1, and then I'll do decorative box 2, 3, and 4 for you all. All right, so this is going to be Decorative Box 1, and you can find this on my website, paperphenomenon.com. If you are interested in the kit, so you can use exactly what I used, the kit makes this project that you see here with the mini album. And hang on one second. And the birthday version of this project, I made a vertical paper bag mini album along with a gift box, or a sleeve, if you will. And the kit was designed to make this project, but I was just adored the papers and I needed a birthday gift, so I decided to use the extras from this paper collection and make my gift box with it. And as you can see, I totally had enough. So with the kit, you have enough to make this project and the Decorative Box 1 with the mini album. All right, guys, so that's what you get. With this kit, the tutorial for the mini album is included. However, with this project is included, excuse me, this project is included. If you want the decorative box, you have to get that separately. What I'm explaining to you here is that you have enough goodies to make those two projects. So you get your cardstock in coordinating colors back to the Birthday Wishes paper collection, right? So you get 10 of the black, 10 yellow, 10 pink, 10 blue, 5 white, and 10 red. So you get a ton of cardstock to make the project. And the paper collection that we're featuring here is the Birthday Wishes paper collection by Bo Bunny, and it's this one right here. It's really fun. This cover does not do the paper any justice. The paper is wonderful. It's got a really nice mixture of what I call solids, which is a small printed paper, and some cutouts, excuse me, and some journaling cards, and just really fun elements that you can cut out of the paper, and some collaged pages. So this cover does it no justice, guys. It's a really, really fun paper collection, as you can see here in this project. I don't think that this project reflects this paper collection right here, but this is what I used. It also, the kit comes with the 12 by 12 pad. You get your journaling cards. I must say I love the format of these journaling cards in this booklet form, so you don't have journaling cards all over the place. Love that, American Crafts. And it also comes with your sticker sheet. This is a 12 by 12 sticker sheet, so you get two sides to this wonderful element. You get your treat bags. So you get the entire package. It comes with 24 treat bags. So you can use these treat bags for your mini album and your Decorative Box 1. All right, I use these in the mini album for the Decorative Box. All right, those are the pages there. And then you get, for the vertical paper bag mini album, you get your large paper bags and your small paper bags, and you get the coordinating tags in the large and the small. Okay, you also get the die cut cardstock shapes, which are super duper fun for your project. And I will have a sample of this project. Hang on one second. I will have a sample of this project in this paper collection. For those of you who pick up this paper collection, you will have a sample of that to draw inspiration from, or copy it exactly if you wish. So if you have a birthday coming up and you're looking for a fun paper collection that's not so kiddie, this is the one for you, most certainly. You also get some thickers in the black, because I think it just ties in all of the black beautifully in this paper collection, as you can see. So you get all of this in your kit, guys. Oh, and including your magnets. You need magnets to create this vertical paper bag album in the birthday style. All right, guys, so this is the Birthday Wishes kit. It's currently on my website right now, and that is also ready to ship. So let's not forget, you are looking, if you're interested, of course, you're looking for either Decorative Box 1 tutorial, right? If you want to make it exactly like mine, you can pick up the Birthday Wishes kit. All right, with this kit, you can make of course, the Decorative Box 1 and mini album. And you can make the vertical paper bag album with the storage box. All right. in the birthday wishes collection. All right, and I forgot to show you the chipboard. You also get the chipboard, so I think it's 8 sheets of chipboard in this kit, but again, enough to make the decorative box one and the vertical paper bag mini album with the storage. So have fun with this, guys. Just check out the links down below and pick and choose what you're interested in and just have fun crafting. There's several samples of this box already on my Facebook fan page. So I will also link you down below to that if you want to check it out and see it in a Christmas and a Halloween version. This is Kathy with Paper Phenomenon, and until next time.